Hello guys, this is Naisara once again. Welcome to my vlog. Happy New Year! Welcome 2021. At this moment, we are in Esterajo, which we call this is just like a resort. It's a pool. Actually, pinapakargahan pa lang namin yung pool. And everybody's staying under the sun because it was so cold this morning. It rained here in KSA. Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New
This
Year!
is my companion. This is Evelyn. Hello. Say hello. Say Happy New Year.
Hello, Happy New Year!
It was such a fun, actually. Hi. Say hi.
Hi, Happy New
Say
Year!
Happy New Year. Okay, guys. Till once again. Bye.